In this video, I am revealing 5 legit apps that actually pay real money for just answering simple surveys. The first step in our list is Yugo. This is a get paid to site which is designed to connect you with real surveys from trusted organizations, businesses, and even government agencies. First, go to the website and create a completely free account. You will see a list of available surveys based on your profile. Topics like customer service, policy opinions, travel experiences, and more. Pick the surveys you like, answer honestly, and once you finish, you get paid instantly. Payments can be drawn through PayPal, gift cards, or even direct bank deposit, depending on your country. Most surveys take 5 to 15 minutes and pay anywhere from $1 to $20, depending on the length and complexity. Some users report making $50 to $100 per month just by doing a few surveys in their spare time. Next in the list we have Freecash. Freecash is a global rewards platform where you get paid for sharing your opinions. Companies want feedback, you give it and you get paid. It's that simple. Sign up for free. It takes less than 30 seconds. Fill out your profile so you get matched with surveys that actually fit you. Pick a survey, answer honestly, and earn coins for every one you complete. Those coins can be instantly converted into PayPal Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or gift cards like Amazon. Let me tell you that in Freecash you can also make money by playing games, downloading apps, and completing simple tasks. Here is a pro tip. Complete the highest paying surveys from partners like CPX Research and BitLabs. They usually pay more and take less time. Most surveys take 5 to 15 minutes and pay anywhere from 50 cents to $3. But some go up to $10 for more detailed feedback. People have literally made their first $5 on the same day they joined. And you can cash out instantly if you choose crypto. Next in the list we have LifePoints. LifePoints is a trusted survey platform with millions of users worldwide. Signing up is completely free. And you can start earning points by sharing your opinions on products, services, and trends. Here is how it works. Every survey you complete earns you life points, and the more points you collect, the more reward you can claim, from PayPal Cash to gift cards like Amazon, Walmart, and more. Surveys vary in length, usually between 5 to 20 minutes. Some even offer higher points for in-depth feedback. So it's totally worth your time. And here is a pro tip. Always complete your profile first. Life Points matches surveys based on your interest and demographics. So filling it out fully can get you more surveys opportunities and more points. Next in the list we have Edapole. Edapole is a legit survey app available on both Android and iOS. Signing up is completely free. And once you are in, you can start taking surveys that match your profile. Here is the deal. Each survey gives you points, and these points can be exchanged for cash via Skrill, PayPal, or gift cards. Surveys vary in length, usually from 1 to 20 minutes. So there is always an option that fits your schedule. Surveys cover all kinds of topics, from shopping habits to mobile apps. Just answer honestly and complete the survey to earn your points. Some surveys even offer higher rewards for more detailed answers. Once you have collected enough points, you can redeem them instantly. Payouts via Skrill and PayPal are quick and reliable, making it one of the easiest ways to earn money online. The last step in our list is the Panel Station. The Panel Station is a global survey platform where you get paid just for sharing your opinions on products, brands, and services you already use. No hype. Just answer surveys, earn points, and cash them out. Here is how it works. Sign up, it's totally free. Complete surveys on topics like shopping, habits, travel, tech, and more. Earn points for every survey you finish. Redeem those points for gift cards, vouchers, or even PayPal Cash. Here is the pro tip. Check your account daily. New surveys pop up often, and the faster you complete them, the more likely you are to snag the high point ones before they fill up. The Panel Station has been around for years, works in over 35 countries, and partners with legit brands, so you are not wasting your time on shady offers.